Good afternoon, SUNY Westbury parents. We're back. This week we're working on word problems. I did send home a Dear Family letter so that you can see what we're doing. But I actually want to show you a chart that's now in the classroom that your scholar will now refer to whenever they're working on word problems. So we're looking at a word problem here where it involves a 5, a 7, and a 12. So basically, Mr. bien-aime buys 5 computers. He has 5 computers. He needs to buy 7 more. He now has 12. How many computers does he need to buy? Notice that the 7 is in a box. That's because the 7 wasn't found. This is what you call a regular equation. Now this one is called finding 10 and then adding on. So for instance, Mr. bien-aime again. Mr. bien-aime has 5 computers. He doesn't know how many he needs. He needs to buy more. He now has 12. So what I then do is I have my 5. I count to the nearest 5. The nearest 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And then I add my 2. So 5 plus 5 is 10 plus 2 equals 12. It's another way. This is the Math Mountain. Class, what is Math Mountain also known as?
Family.
So it's also a fact family. So it's nothing different from that. The only difference is that you can add extra numbers into a Math Mountain. Here is where you're adding on. So for instance, here I have 5, here I have another 5, and here I have a 2. So when I'm drawing out the beads, I'm only drawing them, or the circles, I'm drawing them each by 5s. So I have 5, I have 5, and I need 7 more. What I do is I draw up my 12. I draw up my 12. I put 5, 5, and 2, which is 12. Same thing as here. These two go alike. The last one, which I actually like, is what we call the count on. So you know how your scholars go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is actually 7. Same thing, except you start at 5. Then you add the other 5, and then you add the 2. So all of these symbols here just mean when you're looking at a word problem, this is what they would put. So for here, Mr. bien-aime has 5 computers. He needs to buy however many more, I don't know. I now have 12. So you can take a picture of this. I also sent a picture of this with you so that you can keep and you can use from now on. Hopefully I can print this out as well so they'll have it inside their book so they can use, but it'll be up in the classroom. Thank you very much. Have a blessed afternoon or evening or morning or whenever you get this. Peace out.